Hey guys, today we got a cab high fiberglass Leer. It's 100R or Legend actually. It's same cap, it's two different names. Fits a 15 to 20 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. Black in color. Some pretty decent shape. Got some minor issues in it. We'll go over them here and see what they got. Paint looks good through here. No major damages there. The top on the top edge on this side look really good. No damages on the paint through here. Front edge looks good through here. Corner has a small spot that was touched up, and there's a few of them on the bottom edge. They were touched up. That's just dirt there. Yeah, it came right off. But there's this one's set on the ground, and you can see there's a couple spots that are chipped up and they've been touched up, so it doesn't look horribly bad. But water dripping off there, and you got a couple spots right there. They've been touched up, so they're not even that bad, but they're there. Half side sliders on the side. Front's got a sliding window in it. Paint on this side looks good. Front edge and the top here look good. No damage on the paint that I can see. Down through here, paint looks good. Bottom edge, I mean, the front of these caps don't really get much abuse anyways, but no damage here. Like I said, it's got a sliding window in the front, so that allows you to access the cap from the cab and the cab from the cap, and then you can slide that back shut again and seal that back off. This side had a minor chip on the corner, same as the other side. Paint looks good through here. Top on the top edge on here looks really good. Down through here, the paint looks good. Same on the other side as on the other side. It's got some chips on the bottom edge. They have been touched up. But there's a couple right there. And they're really not that bad, but they just set it on the ground. People take these off the trucks and they don't protect the edge and they set them on the ground. Probably the worst is this spot right here, whatever. It's probably set on, when they set it on the ground, probably set it on a bigger rock or something, set it in the gravel. But people take these off, they don't think about it, just set them right on the ground, and then any rocks and stuff chips the edges of those up. Half side sliders on this side as well. Double T-handle locking rear door. Paint looks good through here. Back edge looks good. Down through here, paint looks good. Had some chips right inside that edge there. They were touched up as well. But inside is just bare fiberglass. Let's have some holes in the screens. A couple right there. Down through there, looks good. Get to the bottom here, there's a hole right there. Sliding windows on the side. The screen here, must have just been something fell on that side because this side doesn't have any holes in it. Screen looks good over here. Got some water spots in it, but that's about it. Still a little wet from when we washed it. Doesn't dry as well in this weather as it does in the summertime. Serial number right there, Legend 56FF15, so the 5.5 foot Ford F-150 15 to 20 body. G1 black is the color. It's upside down, but it'll be alright. turn your monitor upside down to see that. No, really don't, in case you break something. So there it is. Got a cab high fiberglass Leer Legend model. This is a 2015 to 2020 Ford F-150 with a 5.5 foot bed. G1 black in color. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, how much it is. Purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up online. That can all be done there on that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, things like that, those can all be purchased online from us as well. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, you're waiting for something to come in, it's right color, maybe the right bed, body style, what have you, we upload to YouTube and our website as soon as we get inventory in. So you'll want to subscribe below to kind of keep up to date on that as those come in. As with all our truck caps, they're local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.